Hello everybody. Today we introduce our new machine, high-speed position mask machine. This machine is automatic 1+1. One set mask body machine and one set mask earlobe welding machine. Okay, let's start to introduce the fading part. You can choose 3-layer or 4-layer fabric. If you use the 4-layer fabric, you can add one roller over here. And this is the nose pin plate. And this machine, you can choose to add the correction device. It is can automatic to adjust the fabric, so it can make sure that every layer fabric in the right position. Because they have a sensor, you can see, and they have a wire. It can automatic. This part can move and automatic to adjust the fabric to the right position to this wire. Okay, when machine. Okay, this mask body machine and this is the feeding part. Our machine special is for here. You can see they have total 6 rollers, and for this mask mode is separated to 2 mode. It is separated. Normal mask body machine is the total 1 brake mode. It is very different. And this machine is used 5-piece servo motor, Xinjie brand servo motor. Over there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this machine special is you can use the different picture, different design, like Happy New Year or Merry Christmas picture, very beautiful picture. You can customize. We can make the mask very good and the right position because they have a sensor to check the position, to check the wire on the fabric, and also it is can automatic adjust the mask length and wide. Just now, this machine can change the adult mask to kids mask. It is very easy, and this is the conveyor belt, and running the mask to the earlobe welding part. And this earlobe welding part is used 9-piece servo motor and 6-piece step motor. You can see 9-piece Xinjie servo motor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and they also have other servo motor to control the moving plate. You can see. So total is the 9-piece servo motor, 6-piece step motor. You can choose the earlobe welding inside or outside. Just change the conveyor belt, this part, to rotate or not. And our machine can working very stable, 120 pieces in 1 minute. You can see. Okay, we can check the finish sample. It is look very beautiful and look nice. Also, you can to produce like how Merry Christmas in the middle or new other picture what you want. And the welding head welding part is very nice, you can see. It is very beautiful. Thank you very much. You can check clearly. Also, we can check our ultrasonic. The machine, the earlobe welding machine uses two-piece 20K 2000 watt ultrasonic. It's like this. And the mass body machine is used two-piece 18K 2600 watt. Over here, two-piece. And we can check the electric box. This is mass body electric box. And now is the 9-piece swap motor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the 6-piece step motor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One piece PLC. A swap motor is Xinjie swap motor. And for the touch screen, you can see we have Chinese, English, Korean, and Turkish, Italian. Any language you can choose. It is very easy for us. Our machine already sold to many countries. Okay, thank you. You can we can show you the whole machine. Mass body 5-piece swap motor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this machine special design is it use very small size correction device, so it can help you to see the express fade. And this part is the whole fail part, so it is more stable. Okay, thank you.